Let's set camera position. Let's preset camera position. Go to view, lock camera to view in 2.8. You see lock camera to view here. Just take it, come back, and you could just rotate to get it. Rotate on the Y 90. No, just move it till it fits, or you can just go in there, move this, just zoom in. Perfect. Now let's add our textures. Go to shading. Okay. New. Too much. Now Shift A. Go to color. Mix RGB. Then connect color to base color. Now it's all white because these two are the same. So go ahead, red. Let's do a red and make it dark red. The next color will be brown. Cool. Next thing to do is texture. The next thing to do is that's my microphone is kind of bad. Yeah, the next thing to do is to add in a color ramp. Go to converter and color ramp, and join the color to the factor here. Now move this dial so black takes half. Yeah, good. Next we add in our noise texture. Go to texture, noise texture. Excuse me. Factor here to the factor there. I need to make some adjustments. See, the color is coming in. Make some adjustments. Scale, let's make scale let's make scale 8.3. Detail 4.7. Roughness all the way to the top, and let's leave distortion as it is. Next we add in a magic texture. Now same here, you need to make some adjustments. Depth to a scale to 3.1, and depth to 4, and the distortion to 2, and connect all the way to displacement. Yep, that gives us a nice textile here.
So there you have it, node mapping. This is just for demonstration purposes. Think of it as mixing colors in a palette, as you see. Well, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe. If you haven't, hit the notification bell. Drop a little like for me if you would. Well, and if you didn't, well, let me know in the comment sections anything that went wrong. And I guess I'll see you later.